It's hot sauce time here, huh? Hot sauce! We are going to be making an orangey?
Very, very orange.
Hot sauce? We're kind of making this up on the fly. We're looking for something that's going to be hot, maybe a little sweet, garlicky for sure. There's some carrot in it, which I think will be fun.
Healthy. Out
Let's check out the ingredients.
What are we looking at? So we got 14 ounces of habanero.
Woo, that's a lot.
On top of that, we're going to have, 4 ounces of our garlic.
Peeled garlic.
2 ounces of l'oignon. From there, 8 ounces of carrot. And we have another 10 of our bell peppers. And then the salt, the spices, all that will kind of be to taste. We'll probably be looking at quarter teaspoons to start, and we'll go from there.
Nice. And then we've also got some of this home canned pineapple. Let's get going with the peppers here. So now we're actually going to start off here with the Instant Pot. So we've gone ahead and put everything in there. We just cut the stems off of the habaneros, kind of gave everything else a rough chop. Those carrots are about 1/2 inch thick, and cut the bell peppers, cut the garlic in half, just kind of rough chop the onion, and now it's time to add some spices. Got a teaspoon of paprika. We needed the big bowl for that, so just so you know. Pop that in.
Big bowl.
Teaspoon of dried oregano. I'm going to keep it in my bowl here. Got around a teaspoon of fresh cracked pepper. Just going to start off with a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We can adjust that and increase it, but it's pretty hard to take it away. So there we go. And now it's time to grab some vinegar. And 4 cups is just 5% acetic acid white vinegar. So here we are. Lots of nice liquid in there for this. We're going to get this going on the Instant Pot. So we're going to run this on manual here in the Instant Pot for 3 minutes. After the pressure has released, let's see. Ooh, very nice. Full disclosure, we actually ran this for another minute on manual there, just because the carrots were just a touch firm still, and we wanted to make sure. So that was 4 minutes total time with the pressure cook. We're nervous. All right. Okay, we got it. Got half of it in here. Let's see what happens now. Okay, so we were in the danger zone here. I'm gonna get a mop.
This is why the aprons.
So upon tasting, we've decided against adding any sweetness, but we did want to get a few more carrots in there. So this was just 2 more medium-sized carrots that we ran through the Instant Pot for another 4 minutes. I mean, what's the worst that could happen?
Like how we're doing this without eye protection again.
Yep. Aha! Should be good. Okay, let's do another taste test. Ooh, that might be a lot.
That's delicious.
Yay! All right, look at that, gorgeous. Let's get this in some jars.
So what do you think?
Oh, I'm freaking super happy. Look at the color of that sauce. It's amazing. So we basically got 10 250 ml jars worth each out of this because we're splitting her. But now we're going to go ahead and we've got the sous vide heating up right now, and we're going to pasteurize them in that just for extra shelf stability here. Oh, look at those little jars of sauce. You have them at 150 Fahrenheit, and they're going to get... How long are we going to leave them in there for?
Oh, I think science says at least 2 hours.
At least 2, so they'll probably wind up with 3. Yeah, beautiful. So the sauce here has had just about 3 hours heating up in the sous vide, so I'm going to pull them all out and let them cool down. So this carrot habanero hot sauce is absolutely delightful. The color is just vibrant and gorgeous. It's beautiful to look at. And the flavor, you get all that sweetness coming out of the carrots. You get some of the rich flavor of the garlic and the veg. And just a really, really nice heat coming out of those habaneros. And it's just all really balanced super well. And it goes awesome on something like these sous vide deep fried drumsticks, which I'm not going to eat in front of you because it'll be really embarrassing when I have at them there. So yeah, great hot sauce. You should definitely give this a whirl if you can get your hands on some nice habaneros. And until next time, keep her at 11.